To ensure a controlled release of the filler, we'll be pushing the plunger of the syringe at a constant rate. This allows for a steady flow of filler through the needle tip. The purpose of this demonstration is meant to showcase the appropriate pressure and volume for each injection, which you can judge by the flow rate and time. This technique allows for a constant flow of filler, ensuring that our focus remains on precise placement within the dermis. The middle dermis in this region is approximately 1 mm, which is approximately the length of the tip of the needle, the beveled part.